Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to play GTA 5 in your browser. So first of all, please like and subscribe and watch this video till end. Otherwise, you don't know how to play GTA 5 in your browser. So first of all, go to google.com and then search here for going GTA Vice City. You want to play GTA 5 Vice City in your browser. So here you can see play VC online. Click here. It will take some time. Just wait a minute. As you can see the interface of Quank website. You can also play other DOS games in your browser. There are too many games inside this browser website. So you can also install mods and adjust your FPS limit. Then after open this site, click on play game, then click on start here. It will take some time to load and it is free to play. As you can see our interface of GTA Vice City. Just click on start game. I will show you its gameplay. So as you can see my files also saved in this game. You can also save your progress in this game. As you can see our GTA Vice City is here. So guys, this is how you can play GTA Vice City in your browser. And please like and subscribe and also click the bell icon